I love low-level programming, but recently all the stuff I've been doing has felt unfulfilling. So I decided to start this YouTube channel because this is just too boring. This is a tour of my setup as the first video. I'll show you the tech, the Dr. Pepper, and the miscellaneous things. And you let me know if it looks good. Starting with my keyboard. This is the ATK A87 Pro. The sound is self-explanatory. It's very responsive and it's fast enough to click Alt Tab when my mom comes into the room. And it has really great features and all the buttons look really cool. The arrow keys function really well because they're responsive. It is an esports keyboard after all. And all the buttons have really cool features that you can use. This is the WASD mode where the WASD key lights up and the arrow keys do too. It's a great keyboard overall. But what this keyboard does is something cool. I swear to God. This keyboard can switch between Windows mode and Mac mode, meaning if you're using a different operating system, your buttons will behave differently. Like pressing the Windows tab with the Mac version on Windows won't actually do anything. Switching over to the back of my PC. This is where I connect all my peripherals and all my things, such as my beautiful speakers and of course my monitor. This is how my PC looks like. This is a 5060 Ti Ryzen 5 7500F and 32GB of DDR5. Stay jealous, idiots. Then out from my front I/O, this connects all the way to my microphone. This microphone is the Fifine T669 and it's amazing. It's the one that I'm using to record this video. What I usually do on my setup is pretty basic. It's either typing or it's typing and speaking to the microphone, or it's just gaming, or it's drinking my favorite drink. Or it's fidgeting with my fidgeter. And what has become a recent hobby, and it is taking videos of myself and posting them online. I really hope you enjoy them. While I don't always use my headphones, I also use my speakers. I use them more than my headphones, to be honest. They're amazing. Here's a sound test to really capture what these speakers can do. And this is my beautiful 27-inch 200Hz Mag 274F. While it's not OLED, it's IPS, it still looks really good. And this is what it looks like when I've applied OLED-like configurations. I might teach you how to do that. So the tools that I use are basic. It's just OBS, of course. I use C-Line for my C, and then assembly and other programming languages I do on Linux. It's all very simple. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I also use Linux. Linux is great because it's versatile and it allows me to use other tools more efficiently to talk to the kernel. Yes, I use Arch, by the way. And I also use Hyperland because it's very nice to use, and sometimes, although I do feel a little suicidal. You thought I was going to leave you in an awkward silence, wasn't I? This is Linux from scratch, a project that I've been working on for quite a while now. Yes, a video will come on this quite soon actually, but it depends on how quickly I'll be able to gather up all my things and do it. Well, that was it. I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to make it big in the low-level programming world. And if you liked what you saw, consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot.